Hello everyone, once again welcome back in our online class. As you know, today is your science class and today we are going to discuss lesson 4. Lesson 4, sorting material into groups. In this chapter we will discuss about grouping, purpose of grouping, material, appearance, hardness, solubility, transparency, density, properties of common material. Let's begin our chapter. First topic, grouping. Have you ever noticed one thing? Whenever we go any shop or any stationery shop, there are similar things putting together. Like if we will go in a stationery shop, their notebook rack different and books rack different. Like there's the similar things there, different rack. And you may have noticed the similar item usually placed together, and the similar means they can similar in shape, they can similar in size, and what they are made of, वो किससे मिलके बनी है, in this they are made etc. like this. In stationery shop we see notebook can be placed together and textbook can be placed together like this. So the putting similar things together, this is grouping. So what is the definition of grouping? The method of placing similar things together is called grouping. जो similar things होती हैं उनको साथ में रखना, उसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं, grouping. The things can be similar in various, like shape same हो सकता है, उनका size same हो सकता है. According to their use we can grouping them like this. Various criteria can be used for putting things in similar groups. उनकी property dissimilar property, similar property के according अपन क्या कर सकते हैं उनको, we can grouping them. The substance which a thing is made or composed is called material. Grouping the similar things placed together is called grouping. Is it necessary to classify all things into group? क्यों necessary? Why is it necessary to classify all things into group? Let's discuss. Grouping materials into various category has many advantages. Not only it is very useful in our daily life related activity, it is an important aspect of science as well. Grouping according to certain criteria is also called classification. देखो, when we grouping the things, it will easy for us. In our daily life also it is very useful. Like in our kitchen also you see different things keeping together, like this for this rack for this rack for this, like spices keeping together, and tea powder, sugar keep together, like this the different things keeping together. This is grouping. And why it is necessary? Because if we will this grouping is necessary because it make easy for everything. In our daily life also you can see many example about grouping. देखो next grouping according to certain criteria also classification. देखो कभी क्या होता है, जो grouping में particular criteria के according जो उनका grouping क्या होता है उसको बोलते हैं classification. In science there are 3 subjects. First, botany. In botany, only the botany is the classification of plants family. Means all types of plants will come in botany. Like that, second term, zoology. In zoology, all animals kingdom it will study in zoology. And next, chemistry. In chemistry, all chemicals, property of chemicals, physical property, chemical property, it's included in chemistry. Like this is the classification. Classification क्या होता है, पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंग उनको ग्रुपिंग करना, वो क्या होगा, क्लासिफिकेशन. द ग्रुपिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू सर्टेन क्राइटेरिया. एक सर्टेन क्राइटेरिया इज आल्सो कॉल्ड क्लासिफिकेशन. एडवांटेज ऑफ ग्रुपिंग. देयर आर मेनी एडवांटेज ऑफ ग्रुपिंग. फर्स्ट एडवांटेज, इट हेल्प इन सिस्टमेटिक सॉर्टिंग और सेपरेशन. वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट थिंग्स इफ दे विल इन ग्रुप. It help in systematic sorting or separation. Next, it help us understand the feature as object in the same group have the same property, and sometimes property, similar property, if this grouping, then we can easily understand their features and their physical property we can understand by the grouping. Next, it helps in storing material properly and also retrieving them, and it also helps storing material properly. Next, it helps in locating material. We can easily find the material whenever we want if they will in proper grouping. Material and object can be grouped or classified on the basis of common features which are called property. देखो जो किसके अकॉर्डिंग, कौन से क्राइटेरिया के अकॉर्डिंग, कौन से सिमिलर कौन से डिसिमिलर के अकॉर्डिंग वी कैन क्लासिफाई एनी मटेरियल और ऑब्जेक्ट. इट कैन बी ग्रुप और क्लासिफाइड दिस प्रॉपर्टी विच इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर्टी. प्रॉपर्टी क्या होगी? ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी ग्रुप और क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कॉमन फीचर. जो जैसे टू थिंग्स को अपन एक ग्रुप में रखते हैं, तो हाउ वी विल पुट इन वन ग्रुप अकॉर्डिंग देयर सम कॉमन फीचर्स. These both features should be in both item. Then we can classify into one group, and the common features which are called property. According to similar property, we can classify them in one group. Objects or material belonging to a particular group will share common property, and one group share in one group all objects and all material will share common property. Means they these features or property distinguish the objects from other objects, and the object can be classified according to various criteria like appearance, and we can classify objects and material in according to many property. First, appearance, use, how we can use them, hardness, solubility, material from which they are made up of, transparency, etc. These are discussed in following section. Now we will the different type of property of an object or material we will discuss in detail. First, materials. What is materials? You know, all objects made up of a substance. This substance known as material. We see many things around us, and these all things made of different types of material. Like sometimes an object can be made of same material, like utensils, breeze. These all made from iron. And next, sometimes an object can be made from common different material. Like same object can be made from different material. Like a chair. Chair can be made from iron. Chair can be made of wood. Chair can be made of aluminium. And sometimes an object can be combination of more than two material. Like soda water. In soda water there are water, sugar and CO2 gas. There are different combination of different material. Like this we see many different things around us, and around us if anything that has mass means weight, and occupy space that is known as matter. देखो matter क्या होता है? And we can define matter as anything that has weight and that occupy space. This is matter. For example, if I keep this book on table, this needs some space, and for keeping this we need some space, and book has weight also. That means book is also a matter. This matter is made from tiny particles, molecules, and these molecules decide whether this object is solid or liquid or gas. First, solid. There are three different states of matter. First, solid, liquid, and gas. Who decides the state of matter? The molecules decide the state of matter. The molecule is tiny particles, and like in solid, these molecules tightly packed with each other, and they have a strong force between them. So they tightly packed with each other. So solid have particular weight and particular mass and volume. In solid, molecules packed like this, and this molecule can't change the shape of any solid, and they have a strong force between them. Like this in liquid they loosely packed with each other. Molecules are arranged like this, and between them force also not that much strong. So liquid has no any definite shape but volume definite. And when in which container we will keep this liquid, it will take shape of this container. This is the state of solid, next liquid, and last gas. They don't have any force between molecules and they are arranged like this. So a gas is in gas no any shape and no any volume. They are different state of matter. Next we will discuss about different property, like first appearance.